step away.
Look how thick that paint
Rollers
is.
in hand, we're ready to play. Drip, drop, splash, let the colors slay. Fresh coat
Oh my
flow,
God.
here we go.
Oh,
This house
jeepers.
bounce to the show. Brush it smooth, let the pigment glow. New paint job, got the vibe on pro.
I wanted to put a good video together for you guys. Just a fun, entertaining, watch St. Croix Painting Pros paint a house. We bought this little tiny house, and I absolutely love this place. I love this house so much. My wife was telling me, she's like, Austin, she's like, you paint everybody else's house. Just paint the little house in Tampa. And I'm like, all right, let's go pick out colors. So my wife and my kids headed to Home Depot, and they chose colors. And this house is gonna look, it's gonna look like an adorable grandma's house. The house body is gonna be green. The trim's gonna be this color, falling snow. And for the shutters, there is going to be midnight in New York. So anyways, I'm gonna go show you guys kind of how I paint a house, all the different steps, and you're gonna watch this house transform from a gray and blue house to a green and white house with some splashes of color, with a really cool front door color. My oldest boy picked the front door color out, so it's gonna look cool. I already pressure washed it yesterday, so everything is clean. The first thing you always do, you always want to start with the soffits of the house. It doesn't matter how much you pressure wash it. That never goes away. Never skip the soffits of the house. You always want the soffits to look perfectly clean, and then when I paint the house, it looks magnificent. Precaution to make sure that any of the overspray from the soffits don't get on the glass. Protects the glass from that painty mist that comes off when I'm spraying these up above.
Turning dull into magic with a flicker of light. Spray it good or spray it fine. Color the world with a perfect line. Paint that house like you know you should. Oh, spray it, spray it.
Oh, I know what I do, Spray to the house? You're breaking the house.
But I've got a remedy to save the day. The surface where shadows decay. Oh, the history, and it's a sweet serenade to a transformation where memories are made. Spray it good, oh, spray it fine. Paint it bold, let it shine. Turn the plan to understood. Oh, spray it, spray it, spray it good.
Drum speaks to the earth, deep tone, taps like rain on hollow stone. Soft rises in its breeze, a rhythm born. Boom, boom, pat, pat, crash, crash, sway drums dance with the ocean spray. A high beat climbs and drifts away. The sound of a life, the sound of play.
Okay, let's hit it.
Sound of birds in the waves return.
Pull this off here.
When it becomes to being like really little.
Absolutely, baby. Oh, I know. Absolutely.
Feeling better? Hi, are you feeling better?
What's that? Oh no, girly. And now, roll this little area. Yeah.
Which side?
Yeah, there you go.
Ooh, this is hot. Ouch. Keep going. Mom's and the trouble with that. Look at all that paint.
Good job, Tom. Bobby, you're covered in paint.
What's that? Probably this high.
Great job. Woo! All right. Right there. All right, here we go. Second guess.
I had second guess the moment we drove out of this store. I'm like, what happened?
Numero dos. All right, no.
Here. Oh,
Thank you,
I
Mom.
probably need to sleep.
Dr. Thunder.
Didn't I mean that?
Well, the sun came up burning red as coal. Sweat on my neck, dust
We're
in
gonna
my
hang
soul.
these shutters with, this is a 1/4" drill bit,
Ain't no shade
zip it about that deep, it's almost the end, and then ram that pin in there, and that holds it.
and the earth below. Yeah, now swing that iron down, beat that ground till the world makes sense.
Hammer that
Ain't
pin
no
in.
rest till the work gets done. Hard hands sing under fire of the sun.
You're all tapping. She's on.
On stone and my back won't bend. That keeps coming, don't never end. Brother to the heat, friend to the pain. I rise tomorrow, do it all again. Hey, now swing that iron down, beat that ground till the world makes sound. Ain't no rest till the work gets done. Hard hands sing under fire of the sun. Oh, dust in my throat, but I still hum low. Sweat turns silver where the hot winds blow. Ain't no crown, but I wear my pride. Earned with the callus on my hide. Hey, now swing that hammer high. Swing it high, make the sparks fly. Sun going down, but we ain't done. We're going in till we beat that drum.
We got 5 bags of pine barch nuggets. Look like. Okay, ooh, it's really hot. Alright.
So fire in the sky and the day is gone.
Woo!
Still I hum that heavy man's song. Stone and sweat, blood and bone.
There we go. These little hooks are perfect. The ones that I had for my cabinet doors.
And call it home.
There we go.
Hey, hey. Hey. Hey, hey. Sky's got no shoes, it's running free. Clouds playing tag with the old oak tree. Laughter's dancing on the breeze. Hey, what a day to be alive. Oh, the sun sings hey.